Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Students, I am going to discuss in this fourth video of Manavta Dharma about exercise. So till now we have seen three videos. In very first video we have seen introduction. In second and third video we discuss about the slokas translation as well as imported words. Now in this video I am going to discuss exercise, additional exercise and Bhasha Abhyasa which are given already in your textbooks. So let's start first with Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhata. That I showed you answers. Once again I display the questions along with answers how to write. So this is the first Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhata. It is clearly mentioned that you have to write an answer in complete sentence. आपको उत्तर पूर्ण वाक्य में लिखना है, न कि एक शब्द में. सो इस क्वेश्चन को समझे, चाहे वो पूर्ण वाक्य उत्तरम लिखता है या फिर एक वाक्य उत्तरम लिखता, ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही मीनिंग है. एक वाक्य मीन्स आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस एंड पूर्ण वाक्य मीन्स आंसर इन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस, वेदर दैट रिक्वायर्ड 2 lines or 3 lines, बट पूर्ण वाक्य में लिखना है. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सकलाः नद्यः कम प्रविशन्ति. So here the question what is come, that is in pulling form and pulling shabd, and it is in Dvitiya Ekvachan. So the answer required in Dvitiya Ekvachan. So just see the answer. Uttaram sakalaha nadyah mahodadim pravishanti. So you can see 3 words are already taken from the question, and the answer word is that is replaced mahodadim replaced come. So ये आंसर वर्ड है एंड आई हैव हाईलाइटेड दिस वर्ड, सो यू शुड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू राइट आंसर लाइक दिस वे. द सेकेंड वर्ड इज संगीते स्वराः कीदृशाः. संगीते स्वराः कीदृशाः. तो ये द क्वेश्चन वर्ड इज कीदृशाः, कैसा, व्हाट टाइप. सो संगीते स्वराः षड्जमूलाः. संगीते स्वराः षड्जमूलाः. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस सेकेंड नंबर. Now the third number you can see here, it is kah sarvadharman vyapnoti. So kah sarvadharman vyapnoti, and its answer I have taken here kah sarvadharman vyapnoti. तो मानवता धर्मः सर्वधर्मान vyapnoti. So the kah has been replaced with मानवता धर्मः. कह को मानवता धर्म रिप्लेस किया and the 2 words are already given in the question. So just underline, keeps on underlining important words means answer words, so that save the time of examiner. Then bhanu kam prakashyati. So bhanu kam prakashyati, you can see bhanu kam prakashyati. The question word is kam, that is in Dvitiya Ekvachan. So the answer will be bhanu bhuvan mandalam prakashyati. Bhanu bhuvan mandalam prakashyati. And the last question is kam bhaja iti kavi vadati. Kam bhaja iti kavi vadati. So I show you that answer. So you can see the answer this one, kam bhaja iti kavi vadati. So manavtam bhaja, answer what is manavtam bhaja iti kavi vadati. Besides this I have taken 2 to 3 more questions. So I already showed you that those questions while I explained the chapter. But see the next third question, sarve varnaः katham suklatam gachanti. That is not given in the textbook, but it can be asked directly from the slokas. So sarve varnaः katham suklatam gachanti. So katham is how. So sarve varnaः ekibhuya will be the answer word. Rest are in rest words are in the question. So you can copy those words, but write down instead of katham ekibhuya. Then you can see the question next. Kah bhuvan mandalam prakashyati. That is not given here. Kah bhuvan mandalam prakashyati. So bhanu bhuvan mandalam prakashyati. Kam is who, that is in prathama ekvachan or pulling. So bhanu bhuvan mandalam prakashyati. And this question, loke kada manavta bhavet. Loke kada manavta bhavet. So its answer will be atmopamyam samashritya manavah manavaihi sah yada vyavharet लोके तदा मानवता भवे. सो ये पूरा सेंटेंस आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ पूर्ण वाक्येन. दीज आर द आंसर्स ऑफ पूर्ण वाक्येन उत्तरम लिखता. वी हेड टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज संधि विग्रहम कुरुता. से in such questions it might mostly questions are purpadam likha tha. So purpadam you can say first word required, here first and second word required, and the last question last word only required. So Bhanur Bhuvan Mandalam. So Bhuvan Mandalam is given here. So from here you can see this यहाँ से लिया गया है. So Rafar is missing. So that Rafar will convert into Visarga and our answer will be Bhanu Adhik Bhuvan Mandalam. Second one is Prakashyatekas Tatha. So you can see Tatha is given. So before Ta there is Sa. So Sa will convert into Visarga and Prakashyati is a verb. So Prakashyati will be first adhik ekah adhik tatha. Prakashyati adhik ekah adhik tatha. This is the answer of second. Third one is Vyavaharet loke. So Vyavaharet tahalant adhik loke. And the last one is Esha Abhyudayakrit. So Esha adhik Abhyudayakrit. Esha adhik Abhyudayakrit. So these are the Sandhi words. Besides these questions, additionally also I have taken Sandhi words. So I show you that together. Already I showed the answers, those answers. But see here, Sandhi Vigraha answers are written like this way. Your answer should be, you have to underline. You write complete word, but underline the word which you are going to write. Which are the answers? Here you can see Prakashyati adhik eka, Vyavaharet adhik loke, Esha adhik Abhyudayakrit, and the all Sandhi words taken from the all slokas. You can see Yatha adhik Eva, Sakala adhik Nadya, Sakala Nadya, Sarjamula Yatha, so Sarjamulaha adhik Yatha, Sakalaha adhik Nadya, Sakala Nadya, Varna Gachanti, it is Varnaha adhik Gachanti, Dharma Manavtagunam, so Dharmaha adhik Manavtagunam, Manavo Manavaihi, so Manava adhik Manavaihi, Shreyas Karo api, to Shreyas Kara adhik api, Manavta Dharma adhik Dharman, so Manavta Dharma adhik Dharman. These are the Sandhi words. Now we proceed to next question, that is Pathat 11th Avyani Chitwa likhata. So 11th Avyani forms are Ekibhuya, Sambhuya, Samashritya and Parityaja. These are the four forms of 11 taken in this used in this chapter. So ये चार शब्द है, Ekibhuya, Sambhuya, Samashritya and Parityaja. I show you where these words are. So Ekibhuya is Ekibhuya in sloka number 3, first word, and Sambhuya in sloka number 3, second line, second word. Then, so these two words are here. Then Samashritya in sloka number 6, Samashritya, and Parityaja in sloka number 7. So these are the four forms of Levantavya. Now come to Suchna Anusaram Kruti Guruta. Suchna Anusaram Kruti Guruta, just understand the question. In the very first question, it is Sarv Dharman Parityaja. Suchna Anusaram Kruti Guruta. Sarv Dharman Parityaja Dhruvam Manavtam Bhaja. So here the instruction is given, Purva Kalavachakam Nishkasyata. Remove Purva Kalavachak means past gerund form. So this is Parityaja is 11th form, and its a form will be as per the form given in the last verb. So Bhaja is Lot Lakar Madhyam Purush Ekvachan. So this form also convert into Lot Lakar Madhyam Purush Ekvachan. So our answer will be Sarv Dharman Parityaja Dhruvam Manavtam Bhaja Cha. So these two words means Parityaja will convert into Parityaja, Lot Lakar Madhyam Purush Ekvachan, and additionally Cha will be added. So ये दोनों वर्ड को अंडरलाइन करो. सेकेंड में नद्य महोदधिम प्रविशन्ति. So here कर्तृपदम एक वचने परिवर्तयता. The instruction is given, just convert the karta in ekvachan. But when we convert karta in ekvachan, then its impact, its effect will be on verb. So pravishanti is according to as per active voice, kartas according to kartas person and number. So it will also convert into ekvachan. So our answer will be nadi mahodadhim pravishati. हमारा आंसर होगा नदी महोदधिम प्रविशति. थर्ड है मीन्स थर्ड क्वेश्चन, त्वम सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य मानवताम भजा. अगेन हियर इज गिवन त्वम स्थाने भवान योजयता. सो त्वम, I hope you know the rule of sentence. the subject means verb follows always karta. So here karta is tvam, that is madhyam purush ekvachan, and accordingly verb is also in madhyam purush ekvachan. So when bhavan will replace tvam, then bhavan and tvam both meaning a same, but bhavan will take pratham purush and tvam will take madhyam purush. So its impact will come on the verbs. So our answer will be bhavan and भजतु. बाकी वर्ड कोई भी चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. आप देख सकते हो कि त्वम के जगह पे भवान आया और भज के जगह पे भजतु, बिकॉज भवान मीन्स यू, बट ये थर्ड पर्सन सब्जेक्ट है, ऐसे थर्ड पर्सन वर्ब भी हो गया. देन सेकेंड लास्ट, सर्वे धर्माः मानवता गुणम संसन्ति. सो हियर इट इज आस्किंग कर्मवाच्य परिवर्तयत. सो इनडायरेक्टली इट इज सेड change the voice. So sarve dharma is active voice because it is prathama bahuvachan. So sarve dharma is prathama bahuvachan form, so it becomes tritiya bahuvachan as per rule of passive voice. So karta will be in tritiya, karm will be in prathama, and kriya will be according to karm, person and number, but in atmanepad. So see the answer, sarvaihi dharmaihi, सर्वैहि धर्मैहि मानवता गुणः, that is पुल्लिंग शब्द and it is प्रथमा एक वचन. So सर्वैहि धर्मैहि मानवता गुण संस्यते. So passive voice rule is मूल धातु अधिक य अधिक आत्मनेपद प्रत्यय. So it is in present tense, so ये भी present tense में गया, but मानवता गुण is in एक वचन और प्रथम पुरुष, so it becomes संस्यते. Right? Now come to last question. भानु भुवन मंडलम प्रकाशयते. So here the instruction is given nijantam niskasiyata. So nijantam niskasiyata, I hope you understood, or you are understanding, you are used to, you have already practiced such questions a lot. So nijantam means nijant nikal do, causal form nikal do. So here the causal verb subject is bhanu. So when we drop this, then its impact will come on the verb. So the answer, our answer will be bhuvan mandalam prakashate. Bhuvan mandalam is napumsak, so it remains same. But here it is in prathama vibhakti और इसमें था द्वितीया विभक्ति. So जैसे भुवन मंडलम came in prathama vibhakti, so and प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन, so it become prakashate because pro अधिक काश वन आप का verb है. So इस आंसर में भुवन मंडलम प्रकाशते. So these are the answer of सूचनानुसारम कृतिकुरुता. Now we'll head to next question. समानार्थक शब्द मेलनम कुरुता. So its answer should be like this way. Sarit nadi, rangah varnah, ambha salilam, amba means water, ranga means color, sarit means river, dinakrit means bhanu, and margah, dinakrit means sun, and marga means path, and panthaha are the synonym words. So ये समानार्थी शब्द हो गया. Now come to next. This is विशेषण based question. विशेषणम विशेष्यम सकलाः नद्यः सर्वे या समाश्रिताः धर्माः षड्जमूलाः और विविधाः स्वराः and सर्वे वर्णाः. So these are विशेषण and विशेषणम. Now we'll head to next question. Next question is विशेष्यैः विशेषणान् पूरयत. So सर्वे धर्माः सकला नद्यः, you can see here सकला, so नद्यः, then श्रेयस्करः पंथाः षड्जमूलाः स्वराः. As per gender, as per vibhakti and number, the visheshan and vishesh will be. So sarve dharmaः, dharma is in plural, so sarve is in plural. Nadyah is feminine form, plural form, so sakalaः is feminine plural form. Panthaः pathin शब्द, तो it is प्रथमा एक वचन, so श्रेयस्कर is प्रथमा एक वचन. स्वरा is बहुवचन, पुल्लिंग बहुवचन, तो षड्जमूला in बहुवचन form. Now come to next question, that is क्रियापद तालिकां पूरयत. Before that, I show you Madhyam Bhashaya Uttaram Likhata, which the three questions are taken here, given in the new publication. In the old publication, these three questions were not there. So these are additionally added here. So the first question is Madhyam Bhashaya Uttaram Likhata, that means answer in English. And the first question is Manavta Dharma Abhyudayakrit Katham Vardate. How the humanism or quality of humanity is beneficial for upliftment. So here three paragraphs required and answer will be like this way. First introduction. This question is taken from the chapter named Manavta Dharma. This chapter explains about humanism. So introduction में थोड़ा हिस्सा ही लिखो, 1 or 2 lines ही लिखो, आपके पास में टाइम बचेगा तो ही आप ज़्यादा लिखो, अदरवाइज ये काफ़ी है. And the points are here, you can see points. The principle of humanity is a critical component of progress as it fosters cooperation and unity among people. When individuals embraces the principle of humanity, they are more likely to act with compassion and empathy towards others, which can lead to the development of meaningful relationships and partnerships. By working together, people can share their strengths and knowledge, which can ultimately lead to innovation and advancement in various fields. Additionally, the principle of humanity promotes inclusivity and diversity as it recognizes the inherent value and worth of all individuals regardless of their background, culture or beliefs. When people acknowledge and celebrate differences, they can create a more inclusive and tolerant society, which can lead to a more equitable and just world for all. In summary, the principle of humanity is an essential driver of progress as it fosters cooperation, inclusivity and diversity, leading to innovation and advancement. So this is the answer of the first question. In second question additionally given here, मानवता धर्म इति काव्यस्य आधारेण वर्णयेत. मानवता धर्म इति काव्यस्य आधारेण मानवता धर्मस्य वर्णनं कुरुत. So suppose this question additionally given directly from the slokas, so your answer should be like this way. Humanism is dealing with others by being aware that there are other people and animals just like us and they have the same mind, feelings as us. At the end, all religions say the same truth. Humanism only recognizes the theology of all religions. Everyone should accept this religion which brings practical worldly prosperity and welfare. Humanism is the essence, the core and the soul of all religions. So these are the answers. This is the answer of the second question additionally given here. Now we head to next question. Question number 2 is Kada Manavta Bhavet, when there will be humanism. So introduction will be same. This question is taken from the chapter named Manavta Dharma. This chapter explains about humanism. And the point is, if everyone behaves humanely towards one another, there won't be any conflicts or fights and society will be at peace. Everyone will prosper if we can have a mindset of understanding and supporting one another. Peace and mutual cooperation are essential for uplift. May suppose you want to be progress, then peace and cooperation are required. Both of these things will be accomplished and everyone will experience prosperity by having faith in accepting humanism and putting it into practice. So this is the answer of the second question. Now the last question of माध्यम भाषा is सर्वे धर्माः मानवता धर्मं समासिता इति सोदाहरणं स्पष्टीकुरुत. So its answer introduction will be same. The point is the idea that all religions are based on the religion of humanity highlights the common thread that runs through all major religions of the world. While religions may differ in their beliefs and practices, they all share a fundamental concern for the well-being of human beings and emphasize the importance of treating others with kindness, compassion and respect. This idea is especially relevant in today's world where conflicts and divisions between different religious groups continue to create tension and threatens peace. Recognizing that all religions share a common foundation in the principle of human dignity and respect can help the bridge these divides and promotes greater understanding and harmony. This concept emphasizes the universal nature of religious teaching and highlights the importance of recognizing the commonalities commonalities that exist between different faiths. By embracing this idea, we can build greater unity and understanding among people of different religions and work together to create a more peaceful and just world. So, this is the answer of the last question. I hope you understood, and you can take help of this such answers from here, and you can write your own answer. In such way, if you write the answer of Madhya Bhasha, definitely you will get 2 marks. Now I head to next question. This question already I explained you. So now Kriyapad Talika Puriyata. Kriyapad Talika Puriyata. So Kriyapad Talika answer is Lut Lakar of Mrut Narta. So Nartishyati is already given. Pratham Purush. So Nartishyata, Nartishyanti. Then Disha 1 Apa. Sorry, it is 6 Apa. So Disha se, Dishe the, Dishadve, Madhyam Purusha, Madhyama, Lat Lakar, and Mil. It is also of 6 Papa, and this is Lang Lakar forms Uttam Purush. So Amilam will be Ekvachan, Amilava will be Dvivachan, and Amilama. So these are the answer of Kriyapad Talikam Puriyata. Next one is Nam Talikam Puriyata. So the answer is Ritvik Jakarantva Shab, Jo ending Shab, and Tritiya Vibhakti requires Ritvija, Ritvik Bhyam, Jo will convert into Go, and Ritvik Bhim. Ritvija, Ritvik Bhyam, Ritvik Bhi. Then Sraj, Jakarantva, Chaturthi Vibhakti forms required. So Sraje, Sragbhyam, Sragbhyaha. Then Disha, Shakarantva, Saptami Vibhakti forms required. So Dishi, Dishoho, Diksho are the answer of Nam Talikam Puriyata. Now the last one, again noun table. So Yogin in Nan Sab, Saptami forms required. So Yogini, Yoginoho, Yogishu, Shashini, Shashinoho, Shashishu, like this way. Shreshtin is in Nan Sab, Prathama forms are required. So Shreshti, Shreshthino, Shreshthinaha, and Dhaman, Anand Sab, Tritiya forms required. So Dhamna, Dhamabhyam, Dhamabhi. So these are the answers of chapter Manavta Dharma. And the next question already I uploaded Abhyas Patram 4 questions. In next video I'll discuss about the essay writing and different questions as well as additional questions which have already published given in the board. So keep on watching and do writing practice for getting good marks. So all the best for your examination.